Hi, do you want to speed up your Windows 11 PC? Is your computer runs too slow after installing Windows 11? In this video I'm showing step by step on how to speed up Windows 11 and improve performance. Okay. Click on Start. Tap on Settings. Personalization. Here tap on Colors. Turn off transparency effects. Next right-click on PC and select Properties. Tap on Advanced System Settings. Under Advanced, go here and tap Settings. Here select Adjust for best performance, then you can choose only you want to use. Tap on Apply and OK. Next, tap on Start. Search Startup Apps. Tap to open. Here go on Turn off startup apps that you don't want to automatically start. Turn off this will speed up your PC. Next, tap on Settings. Move down to Find Storage. Tap to open. Here you can see temporary files takes lot of space on computer. Tap on Continue, the selected files and their data will be permanently deleted. This will start clean up your PC for better performance. Next tap on Settings. Apps. At this side tap on Apps and Features. Here find the apps that you don't want and uninstall it from your computer. Next tap on Start. Here type in Core Isolation. Turn off this feature if you found it on. Tap on Setting. Click on Gaming. If you find game mode on, turn it off. But if you are gamer, don't turn this feature off for your better gaming performance. Next tap on Settings. Apps. This time move to Find Offline Maps. Make sure you set your settings as you see here. Next, tap on Privacy and Security. Click on Find My Device. Here, if you already signed in, turn off this feature, but it's option. If you need it, you can leave it as it is. Next, tap on Start and search Services. Move down and find Windows Update. Here, select Disable. Apply and tap on OK. This will stop your computer from downloading updates in background. Next, right-click on Drive C and select Properties. Tap on Disk Cleanup. Select all the files that you would like to clean, then tap OK. Here, tap on Delete Files. Next, clean temp files from your computer. I already made the video showing how to delete them from your computer. Even press Windows plus or on your computer, and then type in %temp % and click on OK. Select all files and delete them. This will also increase your computer speed. Remember, if you're new, please subscribe on the channel and give a like. We meet in the next video.